We've been talking tech on the show this week as the NASDAQ has been under some pressure. Let's bring in Joe Tegay of Equity Armor Investments. Joe, what's going on here? Is this just a lot of profit taking?
Yeah, I'm actually noticing as the NASDAQ, and specifically tech, is flirting and struggling to hold on to its 50-day moving average, increasingly I'm seeing a little bit of put volume into some tech-heavy names. There certainly is a rotation, a modest rotation, I would say, out of tech into some of the more safe harbor areas, into financials and into energy. I'm seeing those areas do better than tech, certainly industrials. And people are maybe taking some profits on tech as it's come so far so fast.
What would be a tech play of the day?
Yeah, there's a very growth-heavy ETF. It's one of the most popular ETFs of 2020. It was called ARK, and that had all of the retail favorites, all of the top performers, and it just did fantastic in 2020. However, lately it's getting a lot of outflows. That's causing some of the selling pressure we're seeing in tech, and some of its big holdings are Tesla and Square, which comprise a large percentage of the fund. And when that fund has an outflow, that puts heavy pressure on names like that. Of course, we saw Tesla recently down 20% off of its highs, now making a low, now lower than it was when it entered the S&P 500. So when outflows come out of a fund like that, it puts pressure on the market. And then interestingly, I'm seeing heavy put volume in a lot of those names in that ETF. So people are betting on more outflows and downside to growth.
Thank you, Joe. Always good to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.